And here's how to easily add the Rythm music bot to Discord. Go to your browser and open a new tab and type here Rythm Discord bot. And here we can see the official Rythm bot. Click on that. And here click on Invite Rythm. And here click on this server drop down and select the server. In which server you want to add the Rythm bot, select the server and click on authorize. And now you have to ensure that you are a human. And that's it. Here we can see the Rythm bot successfully added. Now go back to your Discord and go to the server, and here now you should see the Rythm bot added.